Hi guys, I'm Kiki. I wanted to show you a couple meals that are really quick and easy that we do a lot still, and I did them a lot in the beginning to help me lose weight. Again, the book that I read is called The Starch Solution by Dr. John Mcdougall. So I follow a high starch, low fat, plant-based diet. Okay, so 3 quick and easy meals. So this is just like a Asian rice bowl. So you can use brown or white rice, and then I just put mushrooms and carrots, green onions, some canned pineapple, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. And then on top of that, you can just use like a store-bought teriyaki. I really love the sweet chili sauce here, and I also really love any sriracha, and they've got all sorts of yummy different flavors. And this one has like no added sugars. It's made with like lime and garlic and dates, and it's so good. So that's a really quick and easy one. You can batch cook your rice and have it frozen in the freezer, which is what I like to do. I only like to cook rice like once every 2 or 3 weeks. You can also find bags of it already cooked in the freezer section at the grocery store. You can do that if it makes it easier. You can also find the microwavable bowls of rice. So do whatever you need to do to make it easier. And again, white or brown rice. Brown is obviously better and it's gonna keep you fuller longer. But in the beginning, I only ate white rice because I didn't like brown rice. Now I really like brown rice. The other meal we had a ton was spaghetti. So this is whole wheat noodles with spaghetti sauce. Now you want to find one that's either fat-free or very low in fat. This one is just like my local King Soopers brand. Yeah, private selection. And it only has 1 gram of fat per half cup. I wouldn't go over 2 grams per half cup. So pay attention, because a lot of them are like 6 grams for half a cup. One I saw was 13 grams of fat for a half a cup of marinara sauce. So fat-free is best, but I really like this one. I like arrabbiata because I like it spicy. And then yeah, just throw that over my whole wheat pasta. I'll show you guys the brand of whole wheat pasta that I love. It's this one. And it's in the capellini, which is really thin, and it comes out just like white pasta. Like I didn't even know. I had to go back and check when I started using it. I'm like, did I grab whole wheat or did I grab white? And no, it's whole wheat, and it comes out so good and light. And with that, you just have white bread and like a salad or some veggies. So just look for bread that doesn't have oil in it, and a little white bread's not gonna kill you. If you wanna eat whole grain, eat whole grain. And remember that you can eat as much as you need to. So eat until you're full. And if you're hungry an hour later, eat again. I used to have bowls of pasta before bed, and I still lost 40 pounds in 11 months. Okay, the last quick and easy meal is French fries. So I keep these stocked in my freezer all the time for crazy hectic nights when I don't have anything prepped. And these fries are fat-free. They're baked, not fried, so there's no fat in them. Probably can't see that. And they're really tasty. So I'll eat a whole 1.5 pounds, sometimes 2 pounds to myself, and a bowl of steamed veggies with some teriyaki sauce on it. Keep it simple. And then I dunk these in a ton of ketchup because I love ketchup and mustard. So yeah, so those are 3 easy meals that are compliant with what this doctor says, along with a lot of other doctors that believe that plant-based, high starch, low fat is the best way to heal your body, lose weight, and maintain health and longevity. You guys can continue to follow me here. Please make sure to hit subscribe and like, and stay tuned because I'm going to continue to show you how easy it is to eat this way and satisfying. I can eat 4 bowls of this, and in the beginning I did. Now I would probably eat 2 because I weigh 40 pounds less, so I just don't consume as much as I used to. But it's really awesome because you don't have to pay attention to it. It just happens naturally. I didn't think about weight loss. I just ate what he said to eat, which are these things, and he said to eat until you're full as often as you need to. So I did that, and here I am, 40 pounds later and health problem free. So yeah, you guys can find me on Instagram at Plantiful Kiki and Facebook as well. I hope to see you guys around.